Sometimes you may face Fire TV Stick black screen or no signal error while watching the latest TV series or movie. Watch and learn this video to fix no signal on Amazon Fire TV Stick. Check power source. This is one of the most common problems with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. When the Fire TV Stick is connected to the TV, it needs to be connected to a constant power source using the bundled adapter. You need to check the power source and ensure it's switched on. If there is any issue or loose connection with the power source, you won't get a reliable signal on Amazon Fire TV Stick. Check Fire TV Stick with another hardware. This problem happened with many users with the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. Older televisions don't support high-end Fire TV Stick models because of the minimum hardware requirements. We used the same Fire TV Stick with another television, and then to a monitor using the HDMI slot, and it worked without any issue. Check the power cable. If the power cable is frayed or not connected properly, you will continue to face no signal error. If you notice any wear or tear on either side of the data cable, replace it with another good quality third-party cable. Check HDMI dongle. Not every television has a proper HDMI slot to connect Amazon Fire TV Stick. In some cases, you might need to get help from the HDMI dongle to establish the connection. However, not every HDMI dongle is of high quality. In some cases, you might end up with an inferior dongle, and it does mess up the signal on Amazon Fire TV Stick. You need a high-speed internet connection for a flawless Fire TV Stick streaming experience. You will continue to face buffering and other issues on a sketchy wireless connection. If you use a dual-band Wi-Fi router, connect your Fire TV Stick to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi frequency and not the 2.4 GHz one. You will see improvements in internet speeds. Your Fire Stick may say on no signal error due to router glitches. You should restart your home or office router and try again. You can also update your router firmware to the latest version to troubleshoot. No signal error in no time. If your Fire Stick is in the Wi-Fi dead zone, get yourself a dedicated Ethernet adapter. It enables a wired internet connection on your streaming device and you won't face any no signal issue. Wrong input sources. Most modern TVs come with 3 or 4 HDMI ports to utilize. Suppose you inserted your Fire Stick to HDMI 1 port and use HDMI 2 or HDMI 3 as output sources on your TV. You will see a no signal error due to an incorrect input source on your TV. You should pick up your TV remote and switch between HDMI inputs to find the correct input source. Screen resolution. Incorrect screen resolution can result in a no signal error on Fire Stick. You can cycle through available resolutions through your Fire Stick remote. You can press the up and rewind buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to switch between available resolutions. Defective Firestick. If your Fire Stick has hardware damage, you may notice a no signal error on your TV. You need to inspect your Fire Stick closely and look for any significant damage on it. You can replace your Fire Stick with a new device and try again. Check Amazon servers. You can go to Down Detector and search for AWS. If you notice heavy outrage spikes, then it's a confirmed issue from Amazon's side. You have no option but to wait for Amazon to fix the issue from their side. Reboot Amazon Fire TV Stick. Turn off the TV and remove the HDMI stick from the HDMI port. Disconnect Amazon Fire TV Stick from the power source and wait for 5 minutes. Switch on the TV and reconnect the Fire TV Stick. Press a random button on the Fire TV Stick remote for a few seconds before moving on. Get back signal on Amazon Fire TV Stick. If you live in warm areas, the Fire TV Stick might get hot and stop working. You need to remove the Fire TV Stick from the TV and let it cool down. Reconnect and try to get back the signal on Fire Stick.